This is called The Round Sound of Christmas, a revision for this season, for this night at TUBACHRISTMAS. The round sound of Christmas, a tubular swirl of shining brass, like gold, royal, a conduit for the music of God. The round sound of Christmas rests in the riding the lower lines, keys closer to the sound of earth, the ancient sound of the universe, the sound of what was and what will be, reaching high from thickets to thorns to the crown. The round sound of Christmas, heaven-bound and heaven-sent, yet filled with sleighs full of joy carried by the wind. The round sound of Christmas, pounds and pounds of hammered love, fluted glory, and the majesty of mounds and mounds of Christmas found. Here, now, here, now, the round sound of Christmas.
Thank you, Kevin Marshall Chopson.